A development from the national capital, Delhi Police's Economic Offences Wing has launched a case against one of India's leading coaching institute chains known as FITGI over allegations of cheating and financial misconduct. The action comes after 190 complaints from parents following the abrupt mid-January shutdown of a FITGI coaching center in East Delhi, leaving students in limbo. On the back of this, an FIR has been registered under multiple IPC sections against FITGI, but this issue is not just restricted to Delhi, by the way. Similar complaints have surfaced from the institute centers in Ghaziabad, Noida and Bhopal, raising concerns over a larger financial scandal. In order to fast-track the probe, a Deputy Commissioner of Police has appointed to oversee the case, with reports also suggesting that FITGI's director Dinesh Kumar Goyal and other officials may soon be summoned for questioning. Let's go across to my colleague Kritika, who's joining us live with more details. Kritika, this is a matter of concern for the thousands and thousands of students who are students at FITGI looking to use that coaching center to fulfill their IIT dream. What is the latest in this case and how does it impact the students and their parents?
Well, Rutangshu, at the coaching center where we are currently reporting from, this is the Preet Vihar Center in East Delhi. As you can see on your screens, the entire FITGI institute here has been deserted. There is only an agency hired security guard that we could spot. All the files and everything at the reception are also lying as is, and there is not even a single student to be spotted. Now, this center shut down on January 21st, and in fact, what the police officials are telling us is that the investigation into the same had begun from February itself, wherein 35 complaints from students and their parents had been received by the East Delhi police. Now, because the amount of the complaints is higher, that is why this case has been transferred to the Economic Offences Wing. And in fact, few of the complaints date back to as far back as 2022 as well, and that is why sections under the IPC have been levelled in this certain case. Now, what we can expect from the investigation is that, as you were rightly saying, even the founder has been named in the FIR by the Economic Offences Wing, and a summon could be issued to him as well as the others who have been named in this case. Now, remember, already police stations and officials in Ghaziabad, in Bhopal as well as in Noida have taken action against the respective centers. Now, FITGI continues to say that this is a center management issue, and as a whole, the organization had not ordered any of these centers to shut down. But as you were rightly pointing out, a lot of students were in a limbo when these stations shut down. You can see how QR codes for a walk-in query form are also pasted all across the 5th floor in this building here in East Delhi Center. Currently, when we were looking at the website as well, the website for the East Delhi Center is also out of service. We cannot, in fact, the domain name has been recalled as well. So definitely all these students are now finding different coaching institutes to rush off to, and this happened right before the board exams were also supposed to begin. This is a crucial part for their coaching experience as well, that they have been robbed of because of allegations of financial misconduct. Over to you, Rutangshu.